Okay. Replacing the packing in my stuffing box. I used a pipe wrench, another pipe wrench, to separate this and this. And I started getting the packing out of the old one using this little pick. And it comes out of here. And I use the pick to pull it out. When that's done, I'll replace it with new packing, which I have in here. Maybe not this one, but probably this one. And I'll replace the hose clamps with new hose clamps as well, since they're looking a little rusty. At some point I'll have to replace those the bronze fittings as well, because they're looking a little corroded.